This is the left looper thread tension dial. This is the right looper thread tension dial. This is the right needle thread tension dial. And this is the left needle thread tension dial. This thread guide is for the right needle thread. This one for both the right and left needle threads. Both the right and left needle threads pass through the thread take-up lever cover and through this guide. This thread guide is for the left needle. This one is for the right one. This is the presser foot, the needle plate, the presser foot lifter. We have a movable blade here, a fixed blade just below it for cutting the excess fabric. We have a thread cutter located here. This is the free arm. To remove it, we pull to the left and up. To replace it, we place the tab of the cover under the needle plate, then push down and to the right. This is the convertible bed plate. This is the looper cover. The looper cover opens by pulling it all the way to the right, then down towards you. There is a diagram inside on how to thread the machine. It snaps closed by moving it up again. This is the stitch length dial, the hand wheel. This is the handle, the thread guide holder, and the thread guides for the different spools. These are the spool pins, and these are the spool stands. This is the pressure regulating screw. These are the thread guides for the individual spools down here. This is the power button, and the socket goes on the side. Here we have the over edge seam width adjustment knob. This is the right looper, and this is the left looper. The right side of this thread guide is for the left looper, the left side for the right looper. This guide down here is for the right looper. This is the thread take-up lever for the right looper. This guide is also for the right looper. This guide is for the left looper. This thread take-up lever is for the left looper. The spiral guide is also for the left looper. The left looper on this machine has a hole on its back that the thread needs to pass through. Before going into the hole at the tip of the left looper.